Do it. Get the other piece of the pizza. Give me the pizza.
Ano to?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Hindi, okay lang sa'yo.
No, it's yours.
Salamat.
Now, people, let's try to share equally. Fight over the pizza until it shatters and then the pizza. Bye-bye. One bacon supreme and one Alfredo, please. Thank you.
Repeat order ko lang po, ma'am. Isa pong bacon supreme, saka chicken alfredo po.
Yes.
Ano po?
Yes, thank you, kuya.
Hi! Welcome to Bulldog's Red Pizzeria in Quezon City, North Fairview, Philippines. They have good pizza here. Plus their pizza dishes. That's the steak at work. Next time we will show you the food.
Hi, kuya.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Yes.
From the restrooms. Ma, is it gonna taste good?
Yes, it will taste good. Ano sabi mo?
Wow! Tastes so good.
Ano nga ulit yung in-order mo?
It's Alfredo.
Pasta.
Yes. It is not chicken Alfredo, okay? It's Alfredo pasta. Right? Ay! Look at it! I got one part of it. First word to describe it. Hot. 2, delicious. And 3, kind of cheesy. Except if you buy this, be careful not to eat it that fast. Yeah. Or else, you have roasted fingers. And Ma, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Nana.
Now that's the name of my mom.
Ito, pinakamasarap. Hot sauce. As usual, Max.
Yep.
Hindi mo naman siya magawa ni Mama ng tama.